Hello, it's Dave from Boasting Industry Company Limited. The video here is about our 125cc ATV. It's an adult size. On this side we have different models, share same vehicle frame. And here we have a LED headlight. Front cargo rack and a rear cargo rack in plastic. And here we have the lever for the gift shift transferring on reverse and forward. Okay. Operation is also very simple. Flame out, electric starter, and turning light. And here we have all the emergency flame out for safety. Okay. Some shorter brake lever. This is a wheel rim decoration in plastic, available in different color. You know, the plastic housing is green, so we can match green. If you orange, we can make orange, any color you like. It must contain auto, of course. And here we have the protection on the chain driving on the gear shift, the protection for the chain driving, decoration on the exhaust pipe. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, that's all. For the latest prices, please feel free to inquire us. Thank you. Bye bye.